Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning to Miss Shahira. Before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my partner. My name is Nur Husna Mesara binti Muhammad Isham and my partner is Alia Fazana binti Aksari. Today, my partner and I will be presenting about the topic, the phenomenon of students skipping morning classes. In this presentation, we have prepared two types of chart to explain about this topic. The first chart is about the reason why university students skipping classes, which will be presented by my partner Alia, and the second chart is about percentage of students who have experience in skipping classes, which will be presented by me. Skipping morning classes has become a common and concerning issue among university students nowadays. The first purpose of study is to identify the reason why university students skip morning classes. And the second purpose is to analyze the percentage of students who have experience skipping classes. Now, I would like to invite Alia to present the next part.
Now I will explain this slide about the reasons why students skip classes. The purpose of this chart is to identify the common factors that cause students to skip morning classes. According to Sahin in 2023, student absenteeism has become a common issue among university students due to factors such as early class hours, health issues, and also lack of motivation. Besides that, many students also skip classes because of poor sleep schedules, low classroom engagement, and also weak time management skills. Next, let us look at the bar chart on the right side of the slide. The x-axis represents the frequency of responses, while the y-axis shows the different reasons students skip classes. Based on the chart, health problem recorded the highest number of responses, which is at 34 responses, and this shows that health issues are the main reason students miss morning classes. Difficulty waking up early is the second highest factor with 19 responses, followed by boring lectures and stress or depression, which both recorded at 15 responses. Meanwhile, yearly class hours received 11 responses, while transportation issues recorded the lowest frequency with only 8 responses. To conclude, the chart shows that personal health, sleep habits, and also motivation influence students' attendance more than the external factors.
Hi, so for my part today, I have prepared and will be presenting a pie chart about the percentage of students skipping classes. As we can see, the pie chart is divided into two segments, which are orange and the blue segment. The blue segment, which take up the large portion, represents students who have experience in skipping classes. Meanwhile, the orange segment represents students who have inexperienced skipping classes. From the data, it's obvious that the orange segment, which is students with no experience, show a lowest percentage at only 25.5%. On the other hand, the blue segment show a significantly higher percentage at 75.5%, representing students who have experience skipping classes. There is 51% gap between the two segments. That means more than half of the students surveyed have experienced skipping classes. That means more than half of the students surveyed have experienced skipping classes compared to those who haven't. In conclusion, attending to the class is a fundamental responsibility for every student. What does that mean? That means attending to the class is not just a rule, it's a responsibility. This is important because we need to show respect to our lecturer who dedicate their time to energy to teach us. It is because many of them start early in the morning with multiple classes a day and put serious effort into preparing each season. Showing up is the least we can do to honor that time. Skipping class only can be excused with a valid and logical reason, but still it should not become a habit. For students who struggle to wake up early or accidentally oversleep, I believe it's crucial to make an effort to attend. But we can Change it by setting an alarm, getting enough rest, or finding a study buddy can solve the problem. Small change can make a big difference. Students also need to realize how important education is for our future. Therefore, every student should instill a mindset of success by making education like an investment for our future. Every lecture, every discussion, every question, and the effort we put in today will shape the opportunity we will have tomorrow. So, let's make the attendance count, not just because our grade, but because our growth.